What if the biggest signals of attraction were happening right in front of you, but most men completely miss them? Women rarely announce their desire directly. Instead, they communicate it through subtle behavior, emotional cues, and small moments that reveal far more than words ever could. Attraction between two people is rarely loud or obvious. Most of the time, it unfolds quietly through signals that only attentive people recognize. Many men believe attraction is about grand gestures or bold confessions, but in reality, it often appears through subtle patterns in behavior. When a woman begins to feel a deeper level of connection, her actions begin to change. She may become more open, more present, and more engaged in ways that signal growing intimacy. Understanding these signals is not about manipulation or pressure. It is about awareness, recognizing when emotional and physical comfort is developing naturally between two people. Most women communicate attraction indirectly, not because they want to confuse you, but because attraction often grows through emotional safety first. When she begins to feel comfortable enough to express that closeness, certain behaviors start appearing consistently. These behaviors are not random. They are patterns that reveal when a woman feels drawn to you on a deeper level. One of the clearest signals appears when she becomes emotionally open with you. When a woman wants deeper intimacy, she often begins sharing more of her thoughts, experiences, and feelings. Conversations move beyond surface topics and into personal territory. She may tell you about moments that shaped her, things that excite her, or even struggles she doesn't share with most people. This emotional openness is a form of trust. It shows she feels safe enough to let you see parts of her personality that others rarely get access to. Another powerful signal is the way she manages physical space around you. Attraction often reveals itself through proximity. She may choose to sit closer, lean in while talking, or find small reasons to stay within your personal space. These gestures are rarely dramatic. They are subtle and natural, but they show comfort. When someone feels drawn to you, your presence becomes something they enjoy being physically near. The space between two people quietly shrinks as emotional connection grows. You might also notice a shift in her energy toward playful interaction. Teasing becomes more frequent. Small jokes, light challenges, or mischievous smiles start appearing during conversations. This playful behavior is more meaningful than it seems. Teasing is a form of flirtation that creates tension and connection at the same time. It allows attraction to be expressed in a way that feels fun and natural, instead of serious or pressured. Another sign often overlooked is effort. When a woman wants to maintain connection with you, she finds ways to keep conversations going. She asks follow-up questions, responds thoughtfully, and shows curiosity about your life. Communication feels balanced rather than forced. Instead of short answers or distant replies, there is engagement. She participates in the interaction because she wants the moment to continue. Body language also begins to align in subtle ways. Humans naturally mirror the people they feel connected to. If you lean forward, she might lean forward. If you laugh, her laughter follows easily. The rhythm of conversation becomes smooth and synchronized. These small reflections happen unconsciously, but they reveal emotional alignment between two people. When you start noticing these signals together, emotional openness, physical closeness, playful energy, consistent effort, and mirrored body language, you begin to understand something important about attraction. Intimacy rarely begins with words. It begins with comfort, trust, and a growing sense that being around each other feels natural. The key is awareness. Many men miss these moments because they expect attraction to be obvious or dramatic. But the truth is that the strongest signals are often the quiet ones. They appear in how someone listens to you, how they position themselves near you, how conversations seem to flow without effort. When you learn to recognize these patterns, you stop guessing and start understanding the language of human connection. Emotional openness is one of the strongest and most genuine signals that a woman is beginning to feel a deeper connection with you. When someone starts allowing you to see their thoughts, feelings, and personal experiences, it usually means they feel safe in your presence. Emotional safety is the foundation of intimacy. Without it, attraction often remains superficial. But when a woman begins to open up emotionally, it shows she trusts you enough to reveal parts of herself that she may not easily share with others. This openness often begins in small ways. She might start talking about her day in more detail, sharing stories from her past, or expressing opinions that matter deeply to her. Instead of keeping conversations on the surface level, she allows them to move into more personal territory. She may discuss things that excite her, dreams she hopes to achieve, or even moments in her life that shaped who she is today. These kinds of conversations create emotional closeness because they reveal the real person behind the everyday interactions. Vulnerability is another important part of this openness. When a woman feels drawn to you, she may occasionally show moments of uncertainty, insecurity, or honesty about things that are meaningful to her. This does not mean she is seeking someone to fix her problems. Rather, it means she feels comfortable enough to let her guard down. Many people naturally protect their emotions around others, but when attraction and trust grow together, those walls slowly begin to lower. You may also notice that she asks for your perspective or values your opinion on personal matters. This shows she respects your presence in her life and is interested in how you think and feel. Conversations start to feel deeper and more meaningful instead of casual or distant. When emotional openness appears consistently, it often signals that the connection is moving beyond simple interaction. It becomes a space where both people can be authentic. In many cases, this kind of vulnerability is one of the earliest and most powerful signs that intimacy is beginning to develop naturally between two people. One of the most noticeable signs of growing attraction is increased physical proximity and comfort in your space. When a woman feels drawn to someone, the distance between them often begins to shrink naturally. This doesn't usually happen in dramatic or obvious ways. Instead, it appears through small, subtle behaviors that reveal how comfortable she feels being physically close to you. At first, it may show up in simple situations. She might choose to sit next to you instead of across the room, stand closer during conversations, or lean in slightly when you're talking. These actions may seem small, but they often indicate that your presence feels safe and pleasant to her. Humans naturally move closer to people they feel connected with and maintain distance from those they feel unsure about. So when someone consistently closes that physical gap, it often reflects emotional comfort as well. Comfort in your space also means she doesn't seem tense or guarded when you're nearby. Her body language appears relaxed. She may turn her body toward you while speaking, maintain steady eye contact, or allow moments of quiet closeness without feeling awkward. These subtle cues show that being around you feels natural to her rather than forced. Sometimes this comfort also appears through light and casual touch. It might be a brief touch on the arm during a laugh, a playful nudge, or standing close enough that your shoulders almost touch while sharing a moment. These gestures are often spontaneous and effortless. They're not necessarily planned, but they happen because she feels at ease with your presence. Another important sign is that she doesn't pull away quickly when physical closeness happens. Instead, she remains comfortable in that shared space. When someone feels genuine attraction, physical closeness stops feeling intrusive and begins to feel normal. All of these behaviors together suggest something deeper than simple friendliness. They reveal that your presence feels familiar, safe, and enjoyable to her. When a woman willingly enters your personal space and appears relaxed there, it often signals that a deeper level of connection and intimacy is beginning to form naturally between you. Playful teasing is one of the most natural and recognizable ways attraction shows itself. When a woman directs light teasing or flirtatious energy toward you, it often signals that she feels comfortable enough to create a fun and slightly charged dynamic between the two of you. This kind of behavior isn't about criticism or negativity. Instead, it's a playful form of interaction that adds excitement, humor, and a sense of connection to your conversations. Teasing usually appears in small, lighthearted moments. She might jokingly challenge something you say, playfully exaggerate a story you tell, or smile while pointing out something amusing about you. The tone is usually warm and accompanied by laughter, eye contact, or a playful expression. These signals show that the teasing is meant to create connection rather than distance. What makes this behavior significant is that it is often directed specifically at you. She may act friendly with others, but the teasing energy appears more frequently when she's interacting with you. This creates a unique dynamic between the two of you that feels different from ordinary conversation. Playful teasing allows attraction to surface in a relaxed way without making the moment feel too serious or intense. Another important aspect of flirtatious teasing is the emotional atmosphere it creates. It builds a sense of tension and curiosity while keeping the interaction fun. Instead of conversations feeling formal or predictable, they become lively and engaging. This playful exchange often leads to shared laughter, inside jokes, and memorable moments that strengthen the bond between two people. You may also notice that she watches your reaction after teasing you. If you respond with humor or confidence, the playful energy often continues. This back-and-forth interaction becomes a small game that both people enjoy. In many cases, teasing is a subtle way of expressing interest without openly stating it. It allows attraction to develop through humor and personality. When a woman consistently directs playful teasing or flirtatious energy toward you, it often suggests she enjoys the chemistry between you and feels comfortable exploring that connection in a light, engaging way. Consistent effort to keep the interaction going is often one of the clearest signs that someone genuinely enjoys your presence. When a woman feels a growing sense of attraction or curiosity toward you, conversations rarely feel one-sided or forced. Instead, she actively participates in keeping the dialogue alive. This effort may appear in subtle but meaningful ways that reveal her interest in maintaining the connection. One common sign is the way she asks follow-up questions. Rather than giving short or simple responses, she shows curiosity about what you say. If you mention a hobby, experience, or opinion, she may ask for more details, wanting to understand your perspective. This shows that she is not simply responding politely, but is genuinely engaged in the conversation. Her interest goes beyond surface-level communication. You may also notice that she finds ways to extend the interaction. For example, when a conversation seems like it might end, she introduces a new topic, shares a related story, or asks another question. These small efforts indicate that she values the time spent talking with you and wants the moment to continue. Conversations begin to flow naturally because both people are contributing energy to the exchange. Another sign of effort appears in communication outside of face-to-face interactions. She may reply thoughtfully to messages, continue discussions from earlier conversations, or bring up things you mentioned previously. Remembering small details about your life, like your interests, plans, or preferences, shows attentiveness. This level of awareness often reflects emotional investment. You might also sense enthusiasm in her tone. Her responses may be longer, more expressive, and filled with curiosity or humor. Instead of the conversation feeling routine, it becomes dynamic and engaging. There is a rhythm where both people contribute ideas, stories, and reactions. When someone consistently makes an effort to keep interaction alive, it usually means the connection feels enjoyable and meaningful to them. Rather than letting conversations fade away, she helps sustain the moment. Over time, this steady engagement creates a stronger sense of familiarity and emotional closeness between two people. Body language that mirrors your movements and energy is a subtle yet powerful signal of growing connection. Human beings naturally reflect the behavior of people they feel comfortable with. This process, often happening unconsciously, is a way the mind builds rapport and emotional alignment with another person. When a woman begins to mirror your gestures, posture, or overall energy, it can indicate that she feels engaged and connected during the interaction. Mirroring can appear in very small ways. If you lean forward while speaking, she might lean forward as well. If you relax back in your chair, she may shift into a similar posture shortly after. Even hand gestures can become synchronized during a conversation. These movements usually happen without deliberate effort, which is what makes them meaningful. They show that the rhythm of the interaction between the two of you is naturally aligning. Energy levels can also be mirrored. If you speak with enthusiasm or excitement about something, she may respond with similar enthusiasm. Your laughter might trigger her laughter, and your smile might quickly be reflected on her face. This kind of shared emotional response creates a feeling of harmony in the conversation. It makes the interaction feel smooth and comfortable, rather than awkward or forced. Eye contact often plays a role in this dynamic as well. When someone feels connected, they tend to maintain attentive eye contact while also responding to your facial expressions. If you smile, she smiles. If you show curiosity, she may lean in with similar interest. These reactions build a silent communication that strengthens the sense of closeness between two people. Mirroring does not mean copying every movement exactly. Instead, it appears as a natural synchronization of body language and emotional tone. When this happens consistently, it suggests that both people are engaged in the moment and feeling comfortable with each other's presence. In many interactions, this mirrored body language becomes a quiet indicator of attraction and rapport. It reflects a shared comfort where both individuals begin to move, react, and communicate in a rhythm that feels naturally connected.